Toby, wait, stay there.
I want to see from upstairs.
What were you doing? Oh, don't fall. Don't fall. What were you doing in that box, Benjamin?
Toby.
Oh, Toby the T-Rex?
What?
What were you doing in this box?
Just throwing the garbage away.
Throwing the garbage away?
Ah!
Oh, man. Bend down and I'll put you in there.
Okay.
You're a little too big, Toby. Show me your watch. Is that your watch?
No, that's my owie from a cliff.
Oh, you got an owie from a cliff?
Yeah, this is a watch.
Oh, let me see. Oh, what time is it?
8 o'clock. We need to go to bed.
It is bedtime, huh? It's dark outside.
I was just sitting in this chair.
Is it comfy?
Yep. This is a box chair, not comfy. Look it.
It's just your size.
Whoa. It's not comfy.
It's not comfy?
No.
It's uncomfortable?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
You watch.
Ow. Ow. That's not comfy.
That's hard, huh?
Yeah. Is that chair comfy?
Let me see. Yeah. It is.
That's comfy. Are your legs cold?
No.
What day is it going to be when Santa Claus comes?
Yeah, Christmas Day, huh?
Christmas Day. That's right.
This is Christmas Day, huh?
Oh, yeah, well, it's a few more days than 2.
This is not 2.
How many is that? Hey, I have an idea.
Winter time.
Winter time, that's right. Let's sing the Days of the Week song.
No.
Oh. 'Cause there are 7 days. Do you want to sing that one?
No.
What do you want to sing?
I want to sing Month of the Year.
Month of the year?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it.
There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Thursday, Friday,
Sunday, Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Good job. Where did you learn that song?
At school.
At school. What did you do at school today?
Play with the toys.
Did they have dinosaur toys?
Yeah, but we didn't play them.
Oh.
We played with the marbles.
Marbles?
Yeah, they have marbles and some things with holes that you let the marbles in.
Oh, did it go down like a slide?
Yeah.
I love those toys. We'll have to get one of those maybe for Christmas from Santa Claus.
Or do what? That's kind of expensive.
Is it expensive?
Because there's a lot of those at school to play with.
Yeah. Marbles are a high expense.
Yeah.
High cost item, huh?
We should get those, but only one.
One marble? How much do you think one marble costs? How much money? $1?
Yeah.
interesting. Does it cost 1 chili pepper?
It goes, 2.
2 chili peppers. And 1 arrow. Whoa.
That costs 10.
Yeah.
That's too expensive.
Too expensive.
Hey, that's not expensive.
How much is that? $1? Yay!
Let's get that one.
Okay, we buy it.
Buy it.
Okay, it's bought. Thank you.
How many does this cost?
2 pennies.
1, 2 pennies.
Is that?
Okay, here we go.
Thank
How
you.
did it cost?
Looks broken. How much is that one?
$2.
$2. Thank you. Here's your $2.
There, thank you. $1, please.
For what?
For that yummy stuff.
For the yummy stuff? Okay, here's $1.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It cost a man to the pay. Oh.
Do a silly face. I turned it off. Cute little boy.
What is he? What is it? I want to take a picture.
I'm taking a video. And I'm going to put it on the computer.
I want to take a picture.
You want to take a picture?
Yeah.
Okay, say, Jennifer, can I please take a picture?
Okay, please take a picture.
I love you so much.
I love you so much.
I'll pay you $100.
I'll pay you $100.
And I'll rope a tornado for you.
I'll rope a tornado for you.
And slide down a volcano.
And slide down a volcano.
Please.
Please.
Okay.
I want to take a picture.
Okay.